Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's start. So first, open up here your Google Chrome and go to google.com. In the search box, simply type in Fahrenheit to Celsius, and it is going to take you to this tool. Now here you can type in your figures. So say for example, if you want to convert 100 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can just type in 100 here in the Fahrenheit box, and it is going to show you the converted value to degrees Celsius. Also, you can see the formula here of how you can solve and convert Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So here it states that the figure you want to convert to minus 32 times 5/9, it is going to give you your result. Now, if we are going to change 100 into, let's say, 300, so all you have to do is subtract 32 from 300 and multiply it by 5/9, and it is going to give you the converted results. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.